Today, we're taking a closer look at the LIBO 7-inch wired video doorbell system, designed for multi-apartment setups with its 2 monitors and IR night vision capabilities. This system boasts a TFT LCD screen that delivers crisp images at a resolution of 800 by 480, ensuring clarity whether day or night. Speaking of night, its 0.3 MP camera is equipped with 6 infrared lights, offering clear visuals of visitors even in complete darkness. Installation is straightforward, making it ideal for low-rise buildings where internet connectivity might not be readily available. Each of the 2 call buttons can independently control a monitor, enhancing convenience and security for multiple households. The system supports functions like answering calls, monitoring the entrance, and unlocking doors remotely. Additionally, users can choose from 25 different ringtones, adding a touch of personalization to their setup. With a transmission distance of up to 100 meters using RVV 4*1.0 cable, the LIBO video doorbell ensures reliable audio and video communication between the door station and monitors. Whether you're looking to enhance security or streamline communication in a multi-family setting, this system proves to be a robust choice. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into its features and performance throughout this review.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.